This beautiful twisted bread looks fancy, but is easy enough to make any day of the week. The yogurt gives a bit of a sourdough-like tang, and za'atar provides a nice herbal flavor. To make the za'atar, heat a small skillet, toast the sesame seeds, and set them aside. Stay close because they'll burn quickly. Then add the coriander and cumin. Heat, stirring often until toasted and fragrant. Let the spices cool completely. Grind them with your FinaMill into a small bowl. Add marjoram, oregano, sesame seeds, sumac, and red pepper if you want it, and stir well. Za'atar can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. To make the dough, begin the night before by making a poolish, also known as sponge. Stir your bread flour, water, and yeast well in a medium bowl until fairly smooth. Cover tightly and let stand at room temperature for at least 8 and up to 12 hours. The poolish will rise and be very bubbly. To make the dough, add the water, yogurt, za'atar, and yeast to the poolish and mix with a paddle on low speed. Add 1 cup of flour, salt, and mix. Gradually add enough of the remaining flour to make a dough that cleans the sides and bottom of the bowl. You could also make this bread by hand. Change to the dough hook and knead on medium speed until smooth and elastic. Shape the dough into a ball and put it into an oiled bowl. Cover with plastic wrap or a damp kitchen towel and let it stand in a warm place until it's doubled in volume. A turned-off oven with just the light on is a good option. Punch the dough down and divide it in half. Roll each portion into a rope. Brush one rope lightly with water and roll it in sesame seeds. Pinch the ends together and twist the ropes. Bring the ends together into a circle. Place the loaf into an oiled Dutch oven. Cover it with the lid and let it rise in a warm place until the dough is puffy. Bake the bread covered for the first 30 minutes, then reduce the heat and uncover. Bake it until golden brown. Let cool before slicing and enjoy. Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.